Hi, I'm Nelly Angeles from here in Hong Kong. Happy 16th anniversary and happy birthday to our founder, DJ Darnat. To the voice of Rocky Stars, this is my song, Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Hope you like it. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it's a rain outside the day. I know, shining down like water. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever all it does, through the circle fast and slow. I know, it can't stop, I wonder. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down the summer day. Thank you so much. Hope you like it. Thank you. God bless.